Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to generate your lucky number based on your birth date. So actually I am going to explain you how to write this program using Python coding or Python codes. Actually this is very simple and this may be helpful to especially for those who are learning Python at the very first beginning. So however, I'll explain you how to create lucky number generator using Python. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay, now let's go to the video. I use Visual Studio Code to write Python coding. So Visual Studio Code is my editor. So first of all, you have to open your Visual Studio Code. Then you can see it's like so. Then you can see a window like this. I think you have basic understanding. So save your time. I put my coding part to Notepad. So then I don't want to type all the codes here. So this is the code for lucky number generator. So I am going to select all codes here and I am going to paste it here. So you see, to run this program or to create this program, first of all you need to import Tinker and Render. So these modules you have to import. We use Tinker to create graphical or user interface, and we use Render. It's a function to create the function. Now those are the modules you need to create this thing. So here you can see our first part of the code is creating function to calculate the lucky number. So here this is the birth date import field, and this is the function of calculating lucky number based on your birthday. So this is the function. Look carefully. So I think you can understand. I want to explain the function, theory behind the function. You just look at this. So I'll put my code under my blog sites, and I'll put my blog link under video description, so then you can visit my blog and take the coding part. Then you can practice yourself. So here, this one is to create the what we call graphical user interface, GUI window. So this is for the form title, and these are the GUI elements, label, and the entry text boxes, and also button. So that is the basic coding part related to this lucky number finder. Then I am going to test my code. So to run this code, I am going to click on this icon, run Python file. So once I run the coding, you can see my code runs and I received this kind of form open. So here you need to enter your birthday. So my birthday, I'm roughly entering my birthday. So I'm entering my birthday, 25th May 1983. So this is my birthday. Now I am going to calculate my lucky number. To calculate lucky number here, you need to click on this generate lucky number. So once you click on the lucky number, you see my lucky number is number 6. So that is how this program calculates your lucky number. So I'd like to give you another example. Just assume someone's birthday is 16th May 1984. Then what will be the lucky number? Yeah, here the lucky number is 7. Now the lucky number, basically it generates lucky number based on the birth date. So I think now it is clear to you. So I think it is enough for today. And if you need any clarification regarding this program, please put a comment on the comment section so I can reply to you soon. Now that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.